Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. My name is Rovelmar Orellano. I am 19 years old. I'm living in Sugbungkugon, Taguluan, Misamis Oriental. My expectation from this subject is very relatable and masa-friendly. Most TV show, movies, song, and memes to connect with everyday life. Expect loss of family, drama, love teams, barkada stones, and hugot lines that hits close to home. Philippine popular culture in my own word. It's basically how Filipino express everyday life through entertainment. If the song we sing in karaoke, the teleserye we gossip about, the memes we share in group chats, the basketball games we argue over, and the TikTok dances we all end up doing. One example that influenced me, OPM Hugot song. OPM Hugot taught me how Filipino process feelings. Instead of hiding pain or problems, we turn them into lyrics, sing them loud, then laugh about it after.